Welcome everyone. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So children, in the previous video we have learned the concept of yes and no, yes or no. In the same way here we have an activity related to that. Let's see children. Answer the following question. Two are done for you. Here there are the question as well as the answer. Two is done for you and we have to complete the rest. Okay, I hope you all are ready. See this children. Let's see the pictures. What are there in the picture? It's a fan, dog, leg, pot, den, box. Okay children, let's see. IS is THIS, this, a, FN, fan. So this is a question children. Is this a fan? In this picture, is this a fan? Let's see the answer. YES, yes. After yes, you have to put comma children because it is continuing the sentence. Yes, THIS, this. IS is. A, FAN, fan. Yes, this is a fan. If children, anyone asked you by seeing this picture, is this a fan? What we have to answer? Yes, this is a fan. See the next picture, what is there in the picture? Dog. But here, what is there in the question? Is THI is this a DUCK duck? Is this a duck children? No. NO? No. THIS, this, IS is NOT, not a DUCK duck. No, this is not a duck. Is this a duck? No, this is not a duck. Then what is this? This is a dog. Okay. See the next. What is there in the picture? Leg. Is this a leg? Leg. Is this a leg children? Yes. This is a leg. So we have to write here the answer. That is YES. YES, yes. After yes, what we have to put? We have to put comma here, down. Okay? Then we have to continue the sentence. Yes, THIS, this. Yes, this. Is a, what is this? It's a leg. LEG, leg. Then after completing the sentence, put a full stop here. Okay? Is this a leg? Yes, this is a leg. Is this a bin children? Is this a bin? Is this a bin? See this picture, is this a bin? No, this is not a bin. So we have to write here the answer. This is a pot children. But in the question what he is asking, is this a bin? So no, N-O, no. After no, we have to put comma. Okay. This, THIS, is. This, IS is. This is not. Not means, what is the meaning of not? Nahi. This is not a bin. A bin, bin. After completing the sentence, put the full stop. Okay children? Is this a bin? No, this is not a bin. Okay, then what is this? It is a pot. Okay, see the next picture. What is there in the picture? This is a den. So let's see what is there in the question. Is this a DEN? Den. Is this a den? Yes, this is a den. So we have to write the sentence here. YES, yes, then put comma, then THIS, this, yes, this, is a den. Then. After completing the sentence, put the full stop. Yes, this is a den. Okay, children, see the next question. What is this? This is a box. Let's see question. I T H I is this a fox fox. Is this a fox? Can you see the animal fox here? No, this is a box. So what we have to write in this sentence? No, 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 then put comma, THI is this, then I is, this is, NOT, not. It's a new word for you, NOT, not means nahi, okay? No, this is not a fox. This is not a fox. Okay? No, this is not a fox. Okay, children, let's see. Is this a fan? Yes, this is a fan. Is this a duck? No, this is not a duck. Is this a leg? Yes, this is a leg. Is this a bin? No, this is not a bin. Is this a den? Yes, this is a den. Is this a fox? No, this is not a fox. So children, here after writing yes or no, we have to put comma as we are continuing the sentence. That's why we will put this comma. And after completing the sentence, you have to put full stop. Okay children, I hope you have understand the concept of yes and no and how to write in the question and answer form. Okay, thank you.